Glass, a clear, solid material used for windows and containers. Paper, a thin material made from trees that is often used for writing. Plastic, a material that is easily shaped or molded into containers. Metal, a shiny material that can be melted and shaped like silver or gold. Solid, a material that has a shape and does not float. Matter what everything on earth is made of. Liquid, a material that takes the shape of the container it is in and flows. Gas, a material that has no shape and moves in the air. Float to move on the surface of a liquid or in the air. Shape the form of an object such as round or square. Float and move smoothly like a stream without stopping. Melt to transform from a solid to a liquid. When hot burns to give off heat or light. Recycle to take old or used things and make them into new things. Change to become new or different than before. Heat to cause something to